Hi, I'm Robert Young, owner and founder of the Texas Note Company. Thanks for tuning in. I wanted to talk to you today about a transaction that we're involved in where we're purchasing partial payments of the original 240. We're actually purchasing 60. The note seller involved, he had a few very valid questions which I wanted to pass on to you today. He wanted to know how I came up with the balance for 60 payments, and he wanted to know what happens if the note seller gets refinanced, why we still have the 60 payments coming to us, what happens to his portion. Well, to answer the first question is, I take the handy dandy Texas Instruments calculator and I put in the original note amount of $232,000, the interest rate of 9%, and then the number of payments, original payments, 240. Then I calculate my payment by doing payment. To calculate the balance of the 60 payments that we're purchasing, I put in 60 as my N, and then I compute per present value, and that gives me the current balance of those 60 payments of what they should be. And that, is information that our seller can use, like, okay, the balance on 60 payments is X. And using a Texas Instruments calculator, that's how you can calculate that. So that answers the first question. The second question is, what if the borrower refinances during the time of our 60 payments that we're receiving from the borrower? Well, we purchased those 60 payments, and in this case, there's still another 180 left that the purchaser would receive, or the seller would receive back after our 60 payments are done. So if he refinanced, we would receive funds back just for those 60 payments. And then all the additional 180 payments, the seller would receive those back to him. There'd be a calculation involved there, but the seller still owns the remaining 180 payments of that note. And so if they refinance that balance, the seller would have another lump sum coming back to him. So I hope you got some information out of how to use the calculator a little bit and what's going on here at the Texas Note Company. If you'd like to contact us, go out to texasnoteco.com or call us at 512-464-1214 or talk to me, Robert Young. Thanks for tuning in.